Alright, so behind me I have our newest build. It is a 2023 F350 sitting on a 10-inch Elevate kit, and we are switching up the wheel and tire setup. It's going to be on 28/16 Liberty Forged wheels and 40-inch Fury MTs. We have front and rear bodyguard bumpers on this truck, along with matched front and rear emblems and side emblems from Outlaw LEDs. This truck turned out beautifully. So to add to this build, I have received a package. This is my first time seeing it in person. I've seen pictures of them, but I haven't seen them in person yet. So we're gonna open them together. So BORA Off-Road was so kind as to help us through the process of finding what we needed and getting what we wanted. They were great to work with, great people. 10 out of 10 recommend them. So let's open this package. So what we have here is a set of 8x170 2-inch spacers. Again, these are from BORA Off-Road. These are anodized black, and the cool thing about these, they actually laser engraved our logo into the spacer itself. That's a little bit of extra customization for our build. So yeah, we can't wait to put these on, and stay tuned for what they look like on the truck.